Hello everybody, I'm Dalibor and welcome to Dalibor Soulfood. Today what we're gonna make is Serbian Sarma in a Serbian sacu. What we need sauerkraut, or we say in Serbia kiseli kupus, or in Belgium zurkol. Minced meat, here is around 600 grams. 2 onions, so I take one small, one big. Garlic, I take the 3. 1 carrot. 50 grams rice, salt and pepper. There is some in vegeta. This yellow is vegeta, and there is a paprika powder. Also smoked meat here. I take pancetta. If you're going from right, pancetta. This is filet pure smoked beef, and this is also smoked meat. I'm gonna put all this inside. I'm gonna cut vegetables, and we are going back. Okay, I add already here in a pan little oil. I cut onion and carrot in small cubes. I put already little pepper here and salt, and just gonna keep him here to cook them for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna add inside the minced meat. Okay, after 10-15 minutes I cook the onion and carrot. I add minced meat now, and then we're gonna cook them also between 10 and 15 minutes. I put direct salt now. I like to put the salt directly. I put the meat inside, and pepper also. People are doing different, but this is my way. And then we're gonna cook them now 10, 15, 20 minutes, we will see. Then we're gonna add a paprika powder inside, salt, garlic later, vegeta. Then it's going to be cold. Then we're gonna add 1 egg and 50-60 gram rice. I'm not cooking the rice, I just cook the rice inside. Okay, you don't need to cook them long because you're gonna fill this meat to make the sarma, and it's gonna be slowly cooking in the sacu for a few hours. And just now I'm gonna put a little from vegeta. What is vegeta? Vegeta is this is 60-70% is salt, and for the rest is dry, like parsley, carrot is also dry carrot inside, and paprika and things. I think you can find in many shops here also. I'm gonna add now also the paprika powder to shake everything good, and then to add the garlic inside, and then after garlic we're just gonna shake and to put little to be cold, and then we're gonna add the rice, and then we're gonna add this one egg and to shake. I just put the fire off, and this is I shake with the paprika powder inside and little garlic, salt, pepper, vegeta. Now we're gonna wait to be cold, not complete cold, and then I'm gonna add 50-60 gram the rice, and normally to broke 1 egg inside to shake, and then we're gonna fill to make the sarma, to show you next step. Okay, we are back. When we make the sarma, this is obligated rakija. Cheers, živeli. Okay, this meat was cold, and I just add here the rice and 1 egg, and then I shake this. Here I made already sarma, and I cut already the smoky meat for the later. And now I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna roll one sarma. You just take one of the leaves and just cut like this. We have this piece in the middle. This is very, very hard. I just take this one out, and I cut them in small pieces, and I put them here in a sacu inside. Then you can see, I just put down, I put the pork fat around, and then we're gonna put sarma on these pieces, on what is stay from the leaves. I'm not gonna put sarma direct in the sacu, and then we're gonna protect little sarma when we are make the sarma. Like I say, you can cut on the half. I take for example, 1 spoon. You can just roll a little, move the air to go outside, turn around one side, turn around other side, and you can just roll. And for me, this is how it need to be. show you one more time. Just take one spoon and here, put it inside, roll little, turn around one side, move the air, turn around other side, move the air, and just roll. This one is a smaller one. But doesn't matter if it's bigger or smaller, anyway, it's going in a sac. And I'm gonna first put on the 200 degrees to calm the temperature to be warm. And then I put on 135 degrees and I cook like this few hours, 3-4 hours. Okay, this is how I'm doing. I just fill the sarma in a sac. Between I put the smoked meat, and then I'm just gonna repeat the same. Just I'm gonna put on the top like this sarma. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. You can make mistakes. Also, if it's like this, you can put the sarma also here behind. Everywhere actually where you see the space, just put the sarma there. And I'm gonna do this complete to the end, and then I'm gonna add also the smoked meat between, and then we're gonna cover the sarma with the leaves, and then that's all. Okay, sac is full, and then I'm gonna just use the leaves what stay to cover the sarma and to protect from the fire, because this is going in oven for a few hours. And then it's the best if it's like this. You just put these leaves what is stay, and it's gonna be enough to protect the sarma from the fire. It's not gonna burn the sarma. And for me, that's all. We're just gonna add the water, cold water. Okay, that's all. I'm just gonna close my sac, and now it's going in oven. First to be warm, 200 degrees, and then I'm gonna put sac on 135, and I really cook the sarma, and this is gonna be for next 3-4 hours. See you later. Okay, my sarma is ready after 4 hours. I put the oven on 200 degrees to come the temperature to be strong. Then I put on the 135 and I cook for the 4 hours actually. And this is the result. First rakija je skol, živjeli. Now we're gonna see what we make. Sarma prvi opola. It's really good, eh? Smoking meat, bacon. Everything, if you just touch little, everything is separate. It's not normal how is after 3-4 hours in such. Must be good. If you like my video, subscribe and put a like. Thanks.